Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central. We are back out at Florida Modular Homes in St. Augustine, Florida. In today's video, we are going to be touring this gorgeous single section modular home, which is called the Lakeview. The Lakeview is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single section modular, which is by Franklin Homes. So with that being said, let's start the tour. All right, so because of how the home is situated, it's kind of hard to get a full view of the whole outside, but no, the outside is kind of similar to the atrium model that I toured. It's about 2 years ago. Yeah, I toured it 2 years ago. That model home has since then been sold, but if you want to check out the atrium by Palm Harbor Homes, I'll put the link up in the iCard above. So this is the outside of the home. I really like the board and batten siding, if you call it that. So let me see if I can get you another angle, and then we'll go inside. I didn't see any pictures online of the outside of this model, so I'll try to take some screenshots of this as well. So, all right, let's go inside. All right, so as you can see right here, you have a nice small front porch. Look at this gorgeous front porch. All right, love these big windows too. Get you all a view from another angle. Slow pan. All right, so let's go inside and let's see what the Lakeview has to offer. So we just stepped in. All right, so right here you are greeted with your living room. Look at this gorgeous little living room. I'll get you all a good look here. Very cozy small living room. Now remember you guys, this is a single section modular home. But it gives you still have a lot of space for a single section though. And look at all these big windows in here. There's so much natural light in here. And it's not even connected to electricity. All right. Again, you got more big windows right there. Get y'all a moment here to look at it. Slow pan up. All right. All right, so let's go over here and take a look at before we check out the kitchen stuff, let's take a look at this area. Now this is different. They would actually have a glass patio sliding door here in this area. So you can always build you like a deck or a deck or a patio onto your modular home if you choose to do so. Okay, so right here this would be the closet for your central heat and air conditioning. So your furnace and stuff, it'll all run right through here. All right, let's check out the rest. Right there's your electric box. All right, let's take a look at this first bedroom. It's your first bedroom. Let's get y'all a view from another angle. It's a cute little bedroom. Again, if I am able to find out the dimensions of the rooms, I will insert them in the video. This would be perfect for like an office space. If you need like a home office, this would be a perfect room for that. At least that's what I would use it for. And of course, right here, you have your closet. Okay. All right, so over here, you would have your utility space for your washer and dryer. Of course, you'd have cabinet space. All right, and of course, there's soft close. All right, let's check out this area. Over here be your hallway bathroom. It's a nice hallway bathroom. Don't worry, it does come with a mirror. So once the home is purchased, when it's sent to its permanent location of its new homeowner, they will install the mirror and they'll add everything to it that it needs. Of course, that's your commode. It's your medicine cabinet. And of course, your sink. I don't know if I pointed that out. And this will be your tub and shower combo. And of course, you'd have your transom light over that area. Transom window over there, excuse me. All right, let's check out this space. All right, so this is the second bedroom. Now, this is definitely the larger of the two bedrooms on this side of the house. Get y'all a look here. Okay. Y'all pan down. Love the wood floors along with the light blue colored walls. Hey, they might be laminate flooring. Hey, I am no expert here. I'm just a person that loves to tour and review these homes, and I like to share them with you all. All right, so another look. All right, let's check out the closet. So this is your closet, you guys, for this bedroom. Very decent size. It's actually a very nice size. And then you have a shelf right there too. So. All right, let's check out the living room and dining room on the way to the master bedroom. I mean, the kitchen and dining room on the way to the master bedroom. All right, so this is your kitchen area. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. You have your center island right there. You have huge windows that you can look out of while you're prepping meals or doing the dishes. Stand right here at your kitchen sink. Wash your dishes, you look out these gorgeous windows. You know, in some ways, this also reminds me of the veranda. It's a live oak home model. I toured that home at Wayne Fryer of McClenny about 2 months ago. I'll put a link up in the iCard above if you want to go watch that video. But this has these windows also gives you panoramic views like that home does. All right, so here's the rest of your kitchen. You stand back so you can see. All right. Cabinet space. More cabinet space. You have your smooth top stove range right here. Very smooth. And you have your European style hood frame, and as well as a beautiful tile backsplash. Get y'all another look here. Very nice. Get y'all a second to look at this. Anybody want some cake? It's free. Free cake for everybody. Hey, y'all deserve some cake. All right. So this is your dining room area. Now this is you could probably put six, this is a they have four, they have 2 chairs and 1 bench right here, but you could also put up to 6 benches. I mean 6 chairs if you really wanted to. So this is your dining room area, you guys. All right, I don't want to overlook anything. I'll get y'all a look at a couple of drawer spaces. I know you guys like to look at drawers, right? And then more cabinets. And of course this kitchen has the stainless steel appliance package. So all right, you guys, so if you are new here and if it's your first time ever here, I invite you to join our family by subscribing, like, and commenting. Welcome, we are very happy to have you here. And please feel free to like and drop a comment down below. Let's check out the master bedroom. All right, so this is your master bedroom, you guys. Get y'all a view from another angle here. I love those transom windows over there too. Get y'all a look here. All right. Get you one more view of this beautiful master bedroom. All right, let's check out this closet here. Have adequate closet space. It's a nice size closet for this bedroom. And I love the fact that they have the wood shelving too. All right, get y'all a view from another angle. All righty, and of course you have the transom window right there. All right, let's check out the master bathroom and then we'll wrap up the video. All right, you guys, so this is your master bathroom. Get y'all a second to take a look. Again, they don't have the mirrors up right now, but once the home is purchased, once it's taken to this new location of this new homeowner, they will put them in place. But they just want to give you all a general idea of what's here for right now. Give you an idea of what you can order. And again, you have your transom window there to give this bathroom natural light in the daytime. And of course, you'd have your shower. Very nice shower. All right, so this is your shower, you guys. All righty. And I like the fact that they have the glass sliding door right there. So. All right, and of course this is your commode right there behind the door, and you'll have the medicine cabinet above. And it soft closes. And they soft close too, so. All right, you guys, well, let's go back in here and wrap up the video. All right, you guys, well, this is the Lakeview by Franklin Homes. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single section modular. So if you are interested about inquiring or purchasing this modular home or ordering it, make sure you reach out to the people here at Florida Modular Homes in St. Augustine, Florida. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. All right, you guys, well, it's time for me to get out of here for today. So, this is Steven with Divine Mobile Home Central, your central source for manufactured modular home tours and more. I will see you all in the next video. You all take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.